Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to do a two-step baby wave. So this stitch was a one-step baby wave or half-step wave. So once again we start with a knot on our thread and we come up in the valley just below the pleater thread and go across to the left, and that gives us our smocker's knot. And then we start with an up cable, taking the top third of our pleat, keeping the needle parallel with the pleater threads. Now thread up because I'm going to travel down, and unlike before where I went straight down to just above the halfway point, this time I'm going to pick up at the quarter space. So if we take that, we're dividing from that pleater thread to that pleater thread in 4. So if that's half, that's a quarter. We're still travelling down, so we put our thread up, and then we go to just above the halfway point. Then we leave our thread where it is because we're going to do our cable, and it's a down cable, so the thread is down below our needle, and then we're going to put the thread down to travel back up again. So that stitch is at the halfway point, so we want to pick up the quarter space and then up to just below the pleater thread, and then needle across to finish our cable. And there we have the two-step baby wave. So we've got 2 steps from the cable to the cable, and it's a baby wave because it's only covering half the distance from each pleater thread. And then we carry on like that, just picking up the top third, quarter space down, thread up again, just above the halfway point, and then cable across. Thread down to go up to our quarter space, thread down again to go up to the top thread, and then leaving the thread up while we do our cable stitch. Thread up to travel down, quarter space, thread up to travel down to just above the halfway point. Leave our thread down while we do our down cable, and then thread down for us to travel up to the quarter space. Thread down to travel up to the top thread. Again, always taking just the top third of each pleat and keeping your needle parallel to the pleater threads. Thread up, quarter space, thread up, half space, and then cable. Thread down to travel up to the quarter space, thread down, travel back up to the pleater thread, and then finishing off our up cable with our thread above the needle. Thread up to the half space, cable across, quarter space, still alternating the thread, so down when you're travelling up and up when you're travelling down. Thread up, and then we'll finish off here with our cable. And as before, to finish off, we want to put the needle down from where the thread is coming from, and it's coming down, and we put our needle into the valley but behind the last stitch, which is where that thread's coming from. Pull the thread through, and then we tie off on the back as before. So just through the top of the pleat needle through the loop to make our knot, and you can do that twice if you want. Okay, and then we trim off the thread. And there we have our two-step baby wave, and it gives you the 2 steps between each cable. So for this little bit I'm going to do another row of the 2-step baby waves. I'm going to make them into diamonds. So I come through in the valley with my needle again, got a knot on my thread, and then across to the left, ready to start of the first pleat. So we've got our thread down, because we're going to want our thread to be coming out of the top of our stitch in the direction we're going. So then thread down to pick up just 1/4 of the distance of the pleat, or it's easier to actually work out halfway between this cable and that cable. So then match your cable, I'm just using my thumbnail to separate the pleats to get the needle in between them. So I only pick up 1 pleat at a time. So again, thread up, pick up 1/4 space or halfway between that cable and the pleat of thread. Thread up again because I'm still travelling down. And then I'm now ready to do my cable. So I'll leave my thread where it is and cable across. 1/4 space, thread down, leave the thread where it is to do your cable, thread up to travel down, and then thread leave where it is to do your other cable. And then thread down to travel up, still thread down to do my next step, and then cable across, and then that's 1 step. 2 steps takes me to the pleated thread, and then cable across. Then thread down to travel up, thread down again for my second step, and then cable across, thread up to travel down to my first step, thread up for the second step, and then cable across. Thread down to travel up, that's my second step, cable across, and then thread up to come down, thread up for the last step, cable across, and the last 2 steps, so my thread's down for the first step, thread down again for the second step, and then cable across. Okay, and then to finish off, once again putting the needle down into the valley behind your last stitch, so that you can't see where you finished off. And if I wanted to pick up and carry on along this row, then I would come out again in the valley from behind the last stitch, like that, and then just carry on. So we turn the work over and then do our knot just to finish off. So just through the top of the pleat and through the loop of the thread, and then we trim that off, And then there we have 2 rows of 2-step baby waves to form the diamonds. And just to compare, it just gives you a slightly prettier diamond than the 1-step wave.